we survived the curvy roads. Sensei and I made it.
I see a light shine, wanna let it in from the outside.
Their customer service is amazing because I told them we're celebrating our anniversary, and the guy over there by the security, he greeted us, you know, happy anniversary. And so that's really cool. Some really awesome touches. So this is what we do before we enter the property or the rooms. So we try to take some photos and videos first, you know, just for vlogging, personal travel videos. So as you can see, most of our stuff are outside, and that's my camera right there. So I'll take some shots first of the interiors, and after that we're gonna have Sensei go in, our husky. And you know, we're planning on doing a husky hotel review, so I don't know, we'll see how, you know, what he thinks of the room. So Sensei, what are you doing? So look at that. They have Coke and water and what's that? That's it. And creamer. So that's part of the all-inclusive package here. What else? So they will give you this Ventana Bir Sur, what do you call this? Mugs or water bottles? Yes. And they have some water station where you can refill those. They have this too. What's that? Okay, Sensei, we're gonna go. We're gonna walk. We're gonna walk. We're ready. We're going for dinner. We're gonna walk Sensei first.
Hi.
Then drop him off at the room.
Friends. Let's eat dinner together.
Let's eat dinner. All right. So they have a restaurant here called the Sur House. So it's recommended to call in for a reservation. So they are open from 5 to 9 p.m. and I think they also for breakfast they're open from 7 to 11, I believe. Then brunch, not quite sure, but yeah, make sure whenever you're gonna go here and you want to eat out for dinner, try to call ahead in advance for the reservation.
I'm with you always.
Crema.
So it's a little cold, so that's why they offer these blankets. So when you're having dinner, you know, you're warm. Tomorrow's our anniversary, by the way. How many years? 9 years. Well, 9 years? Or
8.
8 years. We're bringing our husky to celebrate our, the anniversary. So Sensei is waiting in the room. so we need to be quick because huskies get depressed when they're
Left alone.
left alone for 30
30
minutes
minutes.
to an hour. So
Take it home. You've had me all along. We've gone a long way. Now take it home. Take it home. Now take it home. Take it home. Now take it home. Take it home.
So, it's been amazing because all the hosts, they know it's our anniversary, so they've been greeting us happy anniversary.
It's not enough. Where's the free food? Oh, no. Not where's the free whatever.
What do you mean?
I'm kidding. Free cake.
Hold on. Right, good morning. Time for breakfast, Sensei. Sensei, hey. Such a snob. All right, so we're checking out today, and this is our last meal. Ventana, Big Sur, and her spouse. She's already starting, and you can see our what do you call that? Our mess. So real life vlogging. So we have ordered some sausage, some avocado toast right here, French toast, and some, what's that? Whatever. Some granola
Something
bowl. So, alright, time to eat. We're leaving in 1 hour. So, bye. Puppy boy! Hey, what are you doing? Do you wanna?
Don't know what we want.